In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view deleted or voided invoices or bills in Xero. First, go ahead and open Xero and sign in to your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, we're going to start by looking at deleted or voided invoices. This is useful if you need to review past records. Double-check whether something was removed, or confirm if an invoice was voided instead of being fully processed. From the top menu, click on Sales. A drop-down list will appear, and from there, select Invoices. This will take you to the Invoices section, where you can view and manage your sales invoices. Once you're on the Invoices page, look toward the top right corner and click the search icon. This opens up additional search options to help you narrow down what appears in the invoice list. In the search area, find the box labeled Include Deleted and Voided and check it. This setting tells Xero to include invoices that normally would not appear in the default view. After that, click Search to refresh and update the list. You should now be able to see deleted or voided invoices along with the rest of your results. If you're reviewing historical activity or troubleshooting missing records, this is the key setting that makes those hidden entries visible. Next, let's look at how to view deleted or voided bills. For this, go to the Purchases menu. From the list, select Bills to Pay. This will open the Bills area where you can manage supplier bills and payment-related records. At the top of this page, select the All tab. This helps make sure you're working from the broadest available list before applying any filters. Then click the Filter button to open the filtering options. Inside the filter settings, look for the Deleted and Voided checkbox, or in some versions, choose Show from the drop-down menu and select the option that includes deleted and voided bills. Once you've made that selection, apply the filter. Xero will then update the page to display bills that have been deleted or voided, so you can review them as needed. This is a simple but important feature, especially when you're auditing transactions, checking record history, or trying to understand why a document no longer appears in the standard view. Just remember that deleted and voided items are often hidden by default, so using the correct search or filter option is essential. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.